I'm tired of ordering Chinese takeout all the time. I want to learn how to make fried rice on my own.
I got you covered. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making some fried rice, yummy yummy, and we have a special guest chef and entertainer. She's a comedian, she's a singer, song and dance, and longtime friend, Candice Eisenberger.
Thank you so much. It's so good to be here. Actually, my last name is pronounced Eisenberger.
Oh, you're French now?
Yes.
Okay, good.
I'm just kidding.
Okay. It's nice to have you though.
It's nice to be here. Thank you so much. I'm excited.
Yes. So we're gonna make some fried rice. Let's talk about our ingredients. We have 5 eggs for scrambling. I have an onion diced up. I have a red pepper diced up. I have some frozen peas and carrots. I defrosted them in the refrigerator overnight. I just let them sit in the bag and then I rinsed them off. I have some shiitake mushrooms. I've taken out the stems and quartered them. I have some soy sauce and some sesame oil. I have some scallions and black and white sesame seeds for garnish and some cooking spray. So we're going to start off by scrambling some eggs. And for this, we're just going to spray our pan with a little bit of cooking spray. I try to use as little oil as possible when I cook.
Okay, good.
You know.
Calorie conscious myself.
Yes. So we're going to let this get hot. So while this is getting hot, do you want to say hello to your husband, kids? Anyone?
Hi, husband and kids. Hey, Chad. Hey, Lily. Hey, Jesse. Hey, everybody. Hey, brother Greg.
Hi, Greg.
Yeah, Rich is friends with Greg too.
Yes.
It's so nice to be here.
It's nice to have you here.
Now, one question. So, if you're a little calorie conscious, so
Yes.
if you don't want to use 5 eggs, could you substitute some egg white in there?
Well, you can use all egg white if you want to just do egg white, or you can skip the eggs altogether.
Okay.
You know.
And if you wanted to make it with chicken, you could.
Well, so you'd saute your chicken first, and then you add it at the end.
Okay.
You could do that with chicken, with beef, with any type of seafood that you like. Saute it first, take it out of the pan, make your fried rice, and then just add it at the very end.
At the end, okay. Because my daughter Jessie loves her chicken fried rice.
Like we're gonna be making some kung pao chicken later. You're gonna saute the chicken the same exact way.
Yummy.
Remove it, and then so we're gonna be making the largest omelet you've ever seen. Not the largest omelet. It's only like 5 eggs. So what we want to do is we want to get our pan pretty hot so our eggs cook relatively quickly.
Okay.
When you make an omelet, you just mix it around. Do you want to do it?
Sure. Why not?
Your weapon?
All right.
That's probably pretty good.
Yeah.
So you're gonna take your eggs
Okay.
and just pour it in, and then you want to just keep mixing it. Perfect.
All right. Yep. That's nice and hot. So now.
Just keep mixing it like that.
Okay.
Oh, very important while you're mixing it. Something I forgot to say, for the fried rice, we actually need some rice. And
Really?
yeah, you can move it a little more violently. Yeah.
A little more. Oh, like kind of scramble it.
Yeah.
Like okay.
Right. So this rice has been cooked off with a decent amount of chicken stock, like a fortified chicken stock, and cold. It's very important that fried rice is cold before you fry it. Now at this point, what you're gonna do, we're gonna actually smooth it out to make it into an omelet. We don't want to brown it too much, but like see over here, it's a little loose, so we'll just move the egg a little bit so that cooks.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to flip this.
Me to flip it.
I did this actually, we just posted a video on Chao con pollo, which is a Peruvian fried rice with chicken.
Okay.
And we also had an omelet, and I tried to flip it.
Stand over here while
Yeah,
you do that.
I'll land on top of you. You look good.
Okay.
Ready?
Woo! Nice. I would so not have done that, by the way. If I tried that.
Well, it would be either
it
up
would be
there
up here
or
up
down here.
Yeah. Leave the egg flipping to the professionals.
And now what we're going to do is we're just going to put this out on the board and let it cool a little bit. And we're going to go into our fried rice. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to saute our onions, and I just go with like literally a tablespoon of vegetable oil.
Okay. What kind of oil do you use? Just regular vegetable oil?
Yeah, for this I'm using just regular vegetable oil. And you can add the onions to that.
All right, I'll do that. So it's hot enough now?
Oh yeah,
Good.
plenty hot.
Sizzle. Oh yeah, they're talking to me.
Yep. And the onions are gonna have to saute for probably 3 or 4 minutes until they're translucent.
Okay.
Can turn this down just a little bit, and I will show you what it looks like in 3 or 4 minutes. So our onions have been cooking for probably about 3 or 4 minutes. Starting to get a little bit brown. We really don't want them brown. We don't want them to be sweet. Next thing, Candice is gonna make a little hole in the middle.
All right.
You're gonna add some garlic and ginger. I'm not sure if I said that there's garlic and ginger in there before, but there is definitely garlic and ginger.
Oh, there's definitely garlic and ginger.
And now you're gonna put some sesame oil on top of that.
Yum.
And try to like flatten it a little bit so
All
that
right.
sautés.
Okay. Ooh, I can smell that. It smells so good.
Doesn't it smell lovely? Absolutely delicious. I love the smell of garlic and ginger.
Welcome to the party, garlic and ginger, sesame. Oh my God, it smells
And
so good.
you can take about half of this and add it.
Half of it. I washed them.
As long as you wash them once this week, you
Yes,
know, we're
I
good.
did. I
We're
did.
good.
All I do these days is wash my hands.
Yeah, with the virus, yeah. All right, next thing that you're gonna add is the mushrooms.
Mushrooms,
Yep.
shiitake mushrooms.
Shiitake mushrooms.
Do you know mushrooms actually ward off cancer?
Really? I did not know that, but I eat a lot of mushrooms, so that's good.
You should. Everyone should eat a lot of mushrooms.
Good. So do you see how the bottom is browning a lot?
It is, yes.
So I'm gonna add literally just a couple tablespoons of water,
Okay,
and that's gonna stop that from browning.
okay.
You can add chicken stock, you can add white wine if you have. If not, water's fine.
And I like that you added water and not more oil. So
Well,
that-
a lot of people would add oil.
but you don't need to.
You don't need to add oil at all. You know, like if you watch my videos, this is not that I'm anti-oil. Extra virgin olive oil is supposedly very, very good for you.
It is.
But it's also very, very fattening, you know, so oil, butter, oil. If you watch other chefs cook, they douse things in butter, they douse things in oil. To me, it's absolutely scary what people do as far as their eating habits go.
And it's unnecessary.
Yeah,
you don't need that.
you don't need it at all. But butter does add flavor.
Sure, a little bit of butter. You don't need a stick of butter.
Exactly, yeah. We're going straight into our fried rice.
Okay.
We'll be adding this in. As I said before, you'd cook the chicken before. So first you'd cook the chicken and put it out on a plate or sheet pan. Then you do this stuff.
Okay.
And then we're gonna reheat our wok, and we're gonna be adding our rice in 2 separate bunches.
Do you add anything else to the pan? You add more oil?
You should add a little bit of oil, but like,
Yeah, just enough to
just like literally
stick.
yeah, just like a teaspoon.
Okay.
We'll push that around a little bit. And what you can do, here, actually, do you mind if I do it?
Yeah, go ahead. No, please.
Don't stand right there just because if it splatters, I don't want to get on your clothes.
Okay.
You never want to get oil on your clothes because
No.
it kind of ruins your clothes. We're gonna put in half the rice first. And the reason why I'm only doing half is because the rice is cold, it's in the refrigerator, like it's fully cooked. If you add all of it, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna cool down your pan so much and it's never gonna fry. I'm just gonna let that sit for a couple seconds and then we'll move it and let it sit.
So that gets nice and crispy.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Let it cook for about 30 seconds, scrape it, let us just keep doing that.
30 seconds.
Yeah.
So it all gets nice and crispy.
Exactly.
Okay.
So this bunch of rice has been cooking probably just for about 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes. And now I'm gonna add the rest of the rice. We're gonna just keep stir frying this for a couple minutes, maybe for like another 2 minutes until it all gets nice and hot. And then I'll show you what to do in 2 minutes. While our rice is stir frying, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our omelet, we're gonna roll it up. And then Candice is gonna cut it, and you're just gonna go,
Oh, okay.
and then when you're done, maybe like twice across, so you get pieces.
Sure.
Okay? You're gonna add this back in,
All right.
just right on top. Then you can give a little stir. Here.
This is enough fried rice to feed an army.
We always make a lot. And next thing we're going to do is we're going to add the egg in.
Okay.
And you can add your red peppers and your peas and carrots.
Yum. Very colorful dish.
And lastly, add your soy sauce.
Now this is just regular soy sauce?
Yep, regular soy sauce.
Lower sodium if you wanted to, right?
You can use lower sodium. It's going to give that a really nice toss.
Yeah. A lot of stuff in here.
Actually, let's turn down the flame a little bit because it's probably starting to burn. So it's different things that you can do. Besides for doing chicken or beef or seafood, you can, if you like shortcuts, you can get, like, so I use frozen peas and carrots, but you can get all types of mixed vegetables, whatever type of vegetables you like, you can defrost and throw in there, that's more than fine. If you want to use fresh vegetables, any type of fresh vegetables, whether it be broccoli, Brussels sprouts, asparagus, anything that you like, you can throw in here, spinach. Just, you gotta make sure that you do cook it in the beginning. Like when we saute the mushrooms, frozen vegetables you really don't have to cook. They're generally, they come out, like if you just defrost them, they come out kind of crispy.
Right.
Any type of raw vegetable you have to cook. So you cook it with the mushrooms and then, you know, you'll have a nice vegetable fried rice if you're vegetarian or vegan.
Awesome.
We're gonna put this on a plate. We'll show you what it looks like and we'll see in a few minutes. So we're gonna throw some garnish on here. I have some sliced scallion and some black and white sesame seeds that you're just gonna sprinkle around.
Okay, I'll do that now. Just all around, looks so pretty.
Does it?
Yeah.
You don't need a lot, that's probably
good?
good. Yeah,
Okay.
probably good. And some black and white sesame seeds.
All right. That's nice, right?
Yep, perfect.
Okay.
There you go. And would you like to try?
I would love to.
All right. Ladies
Go
first.
first. Oh, thank you.
Basically, if she survives, then it's safe for me to eat.
What a gentleman you are.
I am. How is it?
It's good. I like the fresh scallion on top. It adds like that freshness
Yeah,
element to it.
absolutely. Did you have fun?
I had a great time. Thank you
Good.
so much.
Good. I will see you in the next video.
Sounds good.
Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to hear what type of Chinese food you make at home, so leave your comments down below. And I will see you in the next video. Be safe, everyone. Thank you, Candice, for coming.
Thank you.